Ready to unlock the power of automated data flow and revolutionize your GoHighLevel workflows? First, head over to Zapier.com and log in or create a new account. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. This initiates the process of building your data bridge. Now, choose the app you want to connect as your trigger. This is the app that will initiate the data transfer whenever a specific event occurs, like a new lead form submission on your website. Select an event to trigger the Zap. Next, select GoHighLevel as your action app. This tells Zapier where to send the data after the trigger event happens. You'll then be prompted to connect your GoHighLevel account to Zapier, granting Zapier permission to access and modify your GHL data. Now comes the crucial part: mapping the data. This involves matching the fields from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in GoHighLevel, ensuring the information lands in the right place, like contact name, email, and phone number. Double-check that you've mapped all the necessary fields, and then test your Zap. This sends sample data to GoHighLevel, allowing you to verify that everything is working correctly. Finally, if the test is successful, turn on your Zap. From now on, whenever the trigger event happens in your connected app, the data will automatically flow into GoHighLevel, streamlining your marketing and sales efforts.